If you're curious to know the assets that are underrated by investors, then do watch this video. Hey friends, I want to talk about assets that are underrated by investors, and these are assets basically very few people get a chance to be a part of. For example, if you look at the world of metaverse, the investment opportunities over there. For example, look at fractional ownerships. So how are fractional ownerships being given to the masses? Imagine you having a couple of $1,000 and you can buy a fraction of a premium property which could be worth millions of dollars across the world. So that's one asset class through NFTs that I feel are underrated, and you could be a part of it. You could enjoy the rental yields from it with no headache of maintenance, renting the place and things like that. Same applies with the metaverse. You put the goggles on the metaverse, your reality completely changes. It's going to be a multi-billion-dollar industry, and how could you be a part of it? Reach out to me if you want to know more. Listen, if you like what I'm sharing with you, do share, subscribe, and like these videos. Thank you.